This is the top preview bar, and this button right here is the play button. It lets you see your code's output. And if we click these buttons, we can toggle between a desktop preview mode and a smartphone preview mode. We can even toggle between a full screen and smaller screen by clicking this button here. And if we click and drag our cursor in between the editor and preview columns, we can scale the page in and out. Something else I want to point out to you is that some projects may have a tutorial tab. The tutorial tab provides step-by-step instructions that will guide you through the project requirements. Some sections, such as the ones noted in blue here, can even take you to the exact location in the file to make changes.